Hi, and welcome to EdrawMind. In this video, I'll show you how to change the mind map layout in MindMaster. I've already opened a mind map, and its topic is Know Yourself. From the home menu, you can find the Layout button on the right side. Click it, and all layout styles will show. There are 22 layouts in total. When you hover the mouse over the layout symbols, the layout name will show up. The current layout of this mind map is Map. Let's try Left Map. We can continue to try other layouts to find the most match one to this topic. This topic is Know Yourself, and the fishbone layout looks pretty good. Fishbone map will be used for analyzing at most scenes. And I choose this layout for Know Yourself. And the layout change is complete now. You can also change the layout from the panel on the right side. For more MindMaster tutorial videos, please find the playlist MindMaster tutorial video on our channel. To download MindMaster for free and start your mind mapping and productivity trip via the link in the description. Thanks for watching.